Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Bree from With Love Bree, and today I have an unboxing from ScrapDiva Designs for the August release. So as you guys can tell, the lighting is a little different. I'm still trying to get my room set up, but this is what I'm working with. So I'm going to go ahead and just share with you guys what is going to be part of the new August release. So if you guys are interested in getting the dies today, I will have them all linked down below for you guys, the names, and I will also have an affiliate link down below. If you guys would like to shop through that affiliate link, all you have to do is click on the link. It'll open up the ScrapDiva Designs website, and you do not have to pay for anything. It's free to use. It does help me and my channel, however, by me earning a small commission from any purchase that is made through that link. So I want to thank everybody that does use it, but let's go ahead and just get started. Okay, so here are the dies. So this first one right here, okay, so this is a flower die, and you guys already know I love flowers, and what's fun about this one is that there are little centers for the flowers, so you can use these for the center. And I always like to mix and match my flower dies, so ScrapDiva does have a lot of them in okay, so this is the next die right here. And for this one, oh, I didn't tell you guys the name for this one. This is the Shabby Chic flowers, and then this one is the slider set, so you can make a fun little slider using these. And depending on which one you use, you know, if you use this oval shaped one, you would want to use the circle little dies right here, and then these rectangle ones, you want to use the square ones. And these can create fun little slider projects, so you can use these on cards and make fun little projects with those. So those are the two smaller dies, and then the other ones are going to be larger dies. So this one is called the Heart Border Rectangle, and you guys already know I love her lace border dies. So she does include the lace rectangle, and then she also includes a layering piece, and both of those pieces have stitching on them. And she even includes this heart confetti die, so that's really fun. And they come with two different sizes. I can't wait to work with this die. I do owe you guys some videos from July. July was just a really rough month for me, but hopefully August is gonna be better. I am going to be going on vacation in a couple weeks, so I really gotta get things done here. Okay, and then this here is the 3D Carousel Gift Box. Ooh, I cannot wait to work with this one. So this creates a 3D carousel, and 3D projects are always fun. And again, with ScrapDiva's dies, she always includes all the dies you need to make it fun and easy to put together. So that's going to be really fun to create with. And then this is a gift box die. Looks like a Gable gift box. And you get this frame. This cuts out a frame, so it doesn't just cut out a rectangle. You do get a frame piece, so you can make a shaker. And then you get the layering pieces on the back. It has a stitching piece, and then you have this little piece right here in the middle. Ooh, you can make a little shop, I'm assuming, possibly. That's going to be really cute. And then another frame right here. This you must get. I haven't even worked with it, but I can already see all the different creations all of you guys can make. So definitely grab that one. And then this is the Romantic Vintage Tags, and you guys know me, I do love tags, and she of course includes other things. So she includes another flower. So again, a lot of her dies, you guys can collect a lot of different types of flowers, and not only do you need to grab just, you know, flower dies, if you grab some of her dies that have the flowers, you have two different sets in one, which I think is really fun. So there's this one as well. Sorry for the lighting, guys, but that's how the tags look, and you get 3 different size tags and flowers. And then this last one is a Memorydex Envelope. So you can make a Memorydex, and it's a cute envelope shape. And right here, this has a lace border, and you guys know me and my lace borders. I can't wait to use this. And she has a paper clip that says love, so it would die cut the love. She does do 2 layers of the love, and then you just stick it onto here. And then she does an oval one as well. So this one right here. But there it is, you guys. This is the new August ScrapDiva Designs release. I can't wait to share with you guys what I create. If you guys would like to know the names of them so that way you guys have them, I will have them down below, as well as a playlist of all the videos I have created with these dies from ScrapDiva Designs. Not these ones specifically, but and if you guys are interested in the affiliate link, I will have that link down below as well for you guys. Again, thank you to everyone that does use it. It really does help me and my channel. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed seeing the August release, and I can't wait to share with you guys all the projects I create. But I hope you guys have a great day, whatever day it is that y'all are watching this, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!